The robins have been here this morning looking for water, so might as well give them some. This is suet, I guess you call it, to feed. A lot of birds eat it in the winter time, especially, and so I'm going to go and put it in the bird feeder. Yeah, I just cut it open any way you can and take it out of this plastic container. It's only about 11 degrees out here this morning. It's colder than hell. So the animals will be happy for this. They have lots of different suet feeders, but this is about the easiest kind here. I like bird feeders that are really easy to use. So you just lift the lid off, you don't have to unscrew anything. And they usually come like a little thing on one side. If you pull that little, then the whole top comes off. That's about the easiest way to just slip it in there. It's freezing cold. And there's one more over here. And notice the lid just comes off. You don't have to unscrew anything. When your hands are freezing cold like this, you want to be on your phone to unscrew fasteners and everything. Can't see. My hands are so cold, I can't pick things up. Okay, we have got here, this keeps the squirrels off, because this thing here slides up and down, and so they can't climb up the pole. And so that's what keeps the squirrels out of the bird feeder. And you don't want squirrels in your bird feeders because they will destroy them overnight. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching. I'm going to go inside and